Hello guys. I don't know how to hit the web. Okay, hi guys. So today I'm gonna be doing my everyday summer makeup routine. So summer is kind of already over. Most of you guys are going back to school soon, or I don't even know. I'm not a stalker. I don't know what time you guys start school. Haven't started school yet, but if I did, this is what I would wear. A super easy, just natural makeup tutorial for school. And also because summer is literally over, and I don't know, I think I would just be really late if I posted a summer makeup tutorial, so I don't really wear makeup every day because I'm lazy. If I did wear makeup every day, this is what I would do. I don't know, it's just my go-to makeup, I guess. It's currently 11:15. I actually don't get ready at this time. I always like do my makeup around like 2 or something. Guys, look at this. This is so sad. This is my handbook and my school's things that I have to sign, and it's so annoying because that means school's right around the corner and I want to die, but it's okay. The other day, like, not microwave, like shaved my eyebrows, but like I cleaned them up around here and they look a lot better and like sharper and nicer. And then I also did my face, but I don't know how I feel about it. Everyone says it makes their face softer, but for me, I feel like it made me break out more. But it's whatever. So I'm gonna use the Thayers Witch Hazel Toner. I'm not getting ready for anything, by the way. I'm like staying home all day today, but might as well look cute for no reason. But I'm really sad about school. Like, actually, the more I think about it, the more stressed I become, and I'm not trying to be really stressed, so I'm just trying to enjoy my summer. I use this e.l.f. brow pencil. It's like $2 and it's super good. I have like a lot. This is like my 10th one, I'm not even kidding. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Oh, I also want to put on a necklace. I got this necklace from a company called My Own Necklace, and it has like this really cute packaging. It comes with a bag too, so you can like gift it to your friends and stuff, but I'm using it for myself. So what? Okay, my mom didn't know how to order a pizza, so I had to help her, but
when I said that, my mom sounded like really stupid, but it's just she wanted to get like a coupon or something, so I had to help her, and I made it sound like she was dumb, so I swear she's not that stupid, but not that stupid. Okay, can you stop?
I got a package. Wow. Okay, my name on it, obviously, and you can personalize anything on it. And actually I think this is super good quality. So this is what it looks like. I think it's super cute. My hair is just not cute though, so I really like these eyebrow pencils by e.l.f., but they break super easily. Like, the pros are that it's really cheap and it works good, but the con is it just always breaks. Like, I always have to buy a new one, but they're $2, so I mean, I think it's worth it. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, sometimes I carve them out if I want them to be more like snatched. Do I want to do that? So much work. Okay, my brushes fell. That's cute. Okay, we're gonna use my favorite like brushes for my eyebrows to carve them out. So I use these like 2 Juno & Co brushes, and they're really good for carving out my eyebrows. I use this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I don't know why, but I always use foundation to carve out my eyebrows. Obviously this is like, it's thicker. I like foundation a lot more than I like using concealer for carving out my eyebrows. It's just like a habit, but also like, I don't know, I think it works really well. I'm so excited to eat. I'm like super hungry. And we ordered Domino's, and I got me some hot wings, and I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna be feasting later, but right now we're doing our makeup. I use this thicker fluffy flat brush to blend everything out. Okay, and then I use this Essence Lash and Brow Gel, and as you can tell, I've used almost all of it. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna throw it away like after this, but it's super affordable It's like $3 and it works really nicely for setting my eyebrows in place. I think I'm gonna get a different one though, just because this one sometimes like messes up my eyebrows if I put too much. Kind of only put it in the front, a tiny bit on the middle. But yeah, this makes your eyebrows nice. So yeah. I'm gonna use some of this Burt's Bees chapstick. I usually use the peppermint one, but I can't find it, so I think I'm just gonna use the coconut and pear one. Now I'm gonna use the badescu like spray thing for my face, and I really like this because it basically like it gets tacky. It's a really good primer, but also like wakes me up and stuff. Use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream, and I didn't know this was for extra dry skin because I really don't have extra dry skin, but it's super good. It's like very hydrating, and it's kind of expensive. Like actually it's very expensive for like a drugstore thing, but for gel like water cream it's really cheap and like really good. This like actually hydrates my skin and I really like it. If you want a cheaper moisturizer that like works, I recommend the Dual Effects one. I have 2 bottles of them. When I use this, I feel super hydrated. My skin is like happy now. Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline, just to blur out my pores. So we're just gonna like squeeze a little bit. Okay, and I usually apply it where I put like concealer and stuff. So now I'm going to use concealer. It's a Revlon Color Stay Concealer in the shade Light Pale, but I think I'm going to do a little bit of concealer today. So I have like pretty bad under eyes because I don't really get that much sleep. You can't really tell right now, but if I don't wear concealer, you can really tell that I don't get that much sleep. This sponge is like dry, but I don't feel like washing it, so I'm just gonna like not. I'm still gonna use it.
That's gross.
Creasing, so I just take this Wet n Wild contouring palette. As you can tell, a lot of the stuff I use on a daily basis are drugstore products, but I'm gonna take this like small fluffy brush from Juno & Co, and I'm just gonna take the banana powder and just set my eyes, or my under eyes. So now that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tiny bit of bronzer and put it on my cheeks because I put a little bit too much concealer, so my face looks kind of pale. Now that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna use this like pink eyelash curler. I got it from Amazon. It's the tweezerman one, and I actually used to use the e.l.f. one all the time. I really recommend it, but it broke and it's like lumpy and old and stuff, so I just got a new one, and this one works a lot better, but it's like $10 and the e.l.f. one is like $3. So as you can tell, whoa, wait, what the heck, that's actually a lot. Okay, now that my eyelashes are curled, I'm gonna use, I really don't know which mascara to use honestly today. L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's super good. My only problem is that it dries out pretty fast, but it's super nice when you like first get it and stuff. It looks like this. I don't get the waterproof because it's like hard to take off and stuff, so I'm just gonna use that. I think it's just my eyelashes, not the mascara or like eyelash curler, but my eyelashes always go down, like no matter how much mascara I put on or how curled my eyelashes are, they always just go down by the end of the day, and they're not curly at all. They're not like long, they just look really short, and like they don't look like I put anything on them. So love that for me, but it's whatever. So that's that. I get a lot on my eyelid by accident. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip. It's kind of annoying to have it all over. Do under eye mascara. Let me just do that real quick.
By the way, I'm using Back Double mascara.
I need to start doing this more. I stopped doing it because sometimes it got under my eyes and it smudged, so it looked like I was crying, or it had like black under my eyes and it looked kind of bad. So I don't really do it that much, but I think it adds a cute little look. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and follow my social medias while you're at it. I hope you guys are having a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye guys.